This relaxation script can be practiced at any time to help you reduce your level of anxiety or physical discomfort. We begin with a deep breathing exercise to help you begin to relax. We will then move to a passive muscle relaxation exercise to help you to relax all of the muscles of your body. Finally, we will focus on a visualization exercise to deepen your state of relaxation. Let's start with some deep breathing. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4. Then breathing out slowly through your mouth for a count of 5. The goal is to breathe deeply into your abdomen. You can ensure that you are breathing deeply by placing your hand on your abdomen below your rib cage. Your hand should rise with your in-breath and lower with your out-breath. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want you to imagine that you are outdoors on a sunny day. The sky above is blue with small white clouds that are drifting slowly on the breeze. Now imagine that you have walked out onto a small, beautiful, secluded beach. Feel the breeze come off the water and smell the saltiness of the sea air. It is a wonderfully warm and peaceful day. You look down and see the white sand below your feet. You notice a few small shells close by. You wiggle your toes and feel yourself relax even more as you appreciate this relaxing and quiet moment. You listen to the sound of the surf. You can hear the waves as they come in, crash onto the beach, and then flow back out again. With each wave, you can feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed, more and more comfortable, and more at peace. Any discomforts you may be feeling begin to dissipate with each crash of the waves as you look out over the surface of the ocean. The water is so clear, and you can see the sand below as it swirls with the movement of the water. You look out to the horizon and notice 2 tiny sailboats as they glide along the surface of the water. You watch the clouds move and change shape above you as you notice 2 seagulls hovering out over the ocean. As they glide, you wonder what it might feel like if you too could fly. You take in a deep breath, breathe out, and feel even more relaxed and refreshed. You feel the sun overhead and appreciate the sense of warmth that begins at your head and moves down into your neck and shoulders, allowing them to relax completely. With ease, you gently lay out a blanket from the bag next to you. And as you lie down on the blanket and settle in, you can feel the warmth of the sun above you. You close your eyes and relax even more. It is such a lovely day. You just sit and listen to the steady sound of the rhythmic ocean waves. With each wave, any tensions you may feel are carried away out to sea. With the sunlight overhead, you again take in a deep breath and feel yourself becoming more comfortable and more relaxed. You are feeling very comfortable, peaceful, and relaxed. Now, I would like you to scan your body for any areas of discomfort. As you notice any discomforts, I want you to begin to give that sense of discomfort a color. Think about what color, whether it be red or blue or black. Now I would like you to give that feeling a shape. It can be any shape you would like. And once you have a shape, then give that feeling a texture. It could be smooth or rough. And as you focus on the color, shape, and texture, I want you to take a deep breath and notice that the color is beginning to change. It may become paler, or it may change to a different color altogether that is calmer or more soothing. Notice then that the shape begins to change. It may begin to break apart or disintegrate. As you notice the feeling begin to disperse, you can feel yourself getting more and more relaxed and more comfortable. You see a new, restful color that flows around you and is so soothing and relaxing. You begin to notice each word that I say, and then maybe you begin to notice the space between these words. And in that space, you begin to see a very restful, special place. I want you to notice the shapes, sounds, and textures of this special place. As I count from 1 to 10, I want you to begin to settle into this comfortable and peaceful sanctuary. 1, 2, just relax into your safe place. 3, it may be a place that you have been before or a new place that you have created here in the moment. 4, and 5, and 6. And 7, notice that you are becoming more and more relaxed as you settle into your special place. 8, 9, and 10. You are now settled into your special place. This is a special place that you can return to at any time to find a sense of deep relaxation and comfort. You may notice a particular shape or symbol that represents this place. Just thinking of the symbol will help you to relax and return to your special place at any time you need to. This special place will be available to you at any time you need to return. When you are ready, you can count from 5 to 1. As you count, you will become more and more alert and awake, but will maintain this deep sense of peace and relaxation. 5, you are becoming more alert. 4, you are more and more alert now. 3, you are feeling yourself coming back into the room. 2, you can open your eyes. 1, you are fully present in the room, feeling relaxed and alert.